Do you find when switching on your computer that Windows 11 starts up slowly? There's a few reasons this could be happening. One of the reasons is because when Windows 11 loads, it's loading up all the startup apps in the background. And I'm going to show you in this video how to disable those startup apps when you load up Windows device, when you switch your PC or your laptop on. But before I do continue, please like, subscribe and share. So I've got my Windows 11 device opened up here, and what I'm going to do at the bottom is go to my taskbar and click on the magnifying search tool there. Because in the search bar here, what I'm going to do is do a search for startup. I'm going to type in startup up here. And when I type startup up here, in the best match section here, in the system settings, you will see an option which says startup apps. And I'm going to click on it. Once I click on startup apps there, it will show you a list of all the different apps which either have been enabled to start up when your Windows 11 loads up, when you switch your PC on, or those apps which have been disabled, which don't load up at the same time. So you can see all the list of apps there, but on the right of each app, you can see the toggle. And for example, this first app, Brave Software Update, that's been enabled. So when my Windows device loads up, this will be running in the background. Obviously, if that app is running in the background, Windows 11 will take that little bit of time to load. So what I'm going to do is disable this update, and all is a case of doing is going down the list of software, disabling or enabling the apps you want to load up when your Windows device loads up. So this one here, I want to disable that, I want to disable that, I want to disable that, and you're just simply going down the list of all the apps, enabling or disabling which ones you want to start up when your Windows 11 device loads up when you switched your PC or laptop on. And that's as simple as it gets. So once you have completed that task in enabling, disabling those startup apps, all you need to do is restart your PC and watch Windows 11 load up that little bit quicker. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.